back to my hard drive. I've nicknamed it Squeaky because, well, it squeaks. So anyway, let me think what the fuck happened. Dementia Gaming. Do you know who else has dementia? So I mounted it, then it's... hold on. So I, reading from script, ran Norton disk scan and it reported no bad sectors or bad blocks. So then I copied what I needed off of it, then I tried to erase it, said the disk drive failed, then it unmounted itself. When I tried to remount it, it didn't show up, so I turned the drive off and on. Then I redetected it, then I remounted it. Then it says then it doesn't want to mount anymore anyway, then disk unsupported by Norton disk utilities. Then I restarted the LC475, asked it to initialize, then it pressed yes, and now it initialized. Disk repair said everything's okay. Then I scanned it with Norton disk utilities and it said it's okay. Then I tried running some programs from it and it worked. So I'm gonna try if it gets detected on an older system of my Plus so that I can install fresh System 7 on it, I think. Turn that on, turn that on. Ooh. No disk though. Yes, disk! Squeaky! Hello! Squeaky, my beloved. And it detects everything. Does it run stuff on the singular megabyte of memory? You motherfucker. Restart. Eject. Click. Epic dubstep. Anyway. Let's try running something that doesn't crash the Macintosh. Try opening Squeaky report. Yes, run. Detects fine. So this is what you would have, I think, like in, I don't even know, classes or something. You'll boot off floppy and you have singular hard drive that you could like run shit from. Okay. What? Oh, am I this fucking dumb? Did I actually just copy the Eliza's? Did I copy the fucking... Oh my god. Absolutely fire of me. Disk first aid. What the shit? God damn it. This is just one big floppy gap because I took out the disk drive because it didn't work. So yeah, I can just infinitely insert floppies into here. Or at least until the shell is full. And just try bricking the screen. Wait, but it's not like glitch. Hold on, I need to stop talking. I meant like if I move this too fast, it'll divert up into 2 segments because funny. What was I doing again? Forgore. Drive setup. Come on. Epic build up. Drive cannot be launched. Oh, okay. Well, at least it didn't restart. So, now I'm just gonna go whip out my disk setup and try to initialize it. Wait a minute, do I even have system setup? I don't think I have. Wait a minute, can I just copy the system folder? Let me think. I'm stupid, but I can try. Behold, Discius. I don't even know what's on these, so yeah, let's just try to eject by right, no keyboard. Hold on. Oh no, sorry, flashbang. Anyway, I hope you like I hope you like disk swapping. Oh god. Oh. Your Macintosh needs some program software to start. The installer puts these programs software on system file folder on standard installation Apple suggests. You can make disk that you can start Macintosh with special fire translation skills, especially if you do it on the fly. Blah blah blah, select special if you wanna select, okay. System 6.0.4. This is the most advanced system because the other one is like fucking System 4 or something. Techno and Spatial. Oh. Oh. Apple share. Oh, I have to shift click. There's just one small issue. There's no keyboard. Okay, so I connected a keyboard and now we're gonna do the install again. When it's done loading. Good. Enter. Special. Now I can finally shift select stuff. Okay, let's select everything I need. Made a good selection. Because who needs printers anyway, am I right? Should have probably installed the printers. Oh well, we can always do that. Now it's gonna install the Dutch version. Wait a minute, do I have to? Do I have to insert these discs? Sir, which of these is the disc that I need? I don't have that disc, I think. No, I don't. Actually, I don't know. Maybe one of these? Do you think this is Utilities 1? It might be, because this one just said that. Let's try. Okay, so let's check out which one it is. Maybe this one. Oh! Okay. I guess I got it. No need to use Utilities 1, and we would have had a mixed language install, which would have been pretty interesting. Okay, insert 2, and this must be 2. Please don't copyright me. I should probably not play this. Well, I'm not saying anything right now, so I can just keep playing the music. This looks to be system. Oh. Do you think this worked? Should probably image these files before I use them anymore. Like, you think it can actually start from that now? I mean, the system is in English now, but oh well, I guess. Whoa! It's actually booting from the hard drive. So, fuck. Minor amounts of mispronunciation. Oh, this is fucking awesome. This is flippin' bloody lovely. This is bloody lovely.